Go to Ohio got overnight. Started yesterday afternoon and into the night. We got about, I don't know, I say like 3 inches, but I'm not sure because that's a lot of snow on our porch. But the wind's been blowing it around too, so. And then after he shovels this, he's going to do the snow blow the driveway. Wish we could get our snow blower up on the porch and blow it off the porch so you don't have to shovel it, but. And then Monday, we got 1 to 3 more inches coming Monday, so. I don't know if you can see her. There's Annie. Annie. She's in heat again. But, and under all this snow is a sheet of ice because it rained and then the temperature dropped and everything turned to ice. So, yeah, that's what we're dealing with. Dog rope. You can see out there in the grass where he walked through. Sorry about the screen. I don't know why it zooms in. It's snow blower. I don't know why it zooms in on the screen. But I'm not going out there. Let me go to the front door and show you that over there. Okay, here I am out front. Got ice on the door, but hope you can see it. Sorry about the radio. That's our yard and the driveway just on this side of the pole. That little drift going across the driveway. Drift at the end of the driveway, and then the snowplow didn't help, plugged it all up. Our road has packed down snow on it and a sheet of ice. So I'm not sure how the main roads are. They're probably drifted too, but they're probably wet compared to our roads because they use different salt. But if we stand here a second, maybe you'll be able to see him with the snowblower. I don't know. So, but yeah, isn't that lovely? We're just not getting a break from it this year. Well, the last couple of days were in the 50s, and then temperature dropped, and we got this. So, I don't mind the snow. I just don't like the ice. And under the snow is 1/10 of an inch of ice. Our road right now is all ice. And then in some areas, it's there's snow packed down from the road drifting, but we're not going to be able to see him because he's doing the other part of the driveway, but this is what's going on.